My sleep schedule is fucked up, beyond fucked up, bro. So that means we got a place. Fuck. Oh, I got my allergies, man. The fog's making me sneeze. Have you completely checked out of your midlife? Like, am I still in my midlife crisis, or am I done with it? Remake of the Crow Jason Momoa. Nice.
Like when they go to work and they're around people. But here I am making a short film with 6 iterations of myself in a cyberpunk dystopian universe. Made a few grand off of just playing cards, dude.
And he was a robot. I used to have curly hair. I would straighten it out for an hour. But shit, what time is it, bro? And what you just described is really exactly in line with how they approach the kids too. I gotta sneeze. They're very like cut through people. Like cover half of the screen right now because I can't see shit. Because my fucking contacts scratched my fucking eyeball, bro. I got abrasion in my eyeball. Growing up doing magic tricks and shit. Going to Las Vegas. So, okay, no stream on Tuesday, but stream on Thursday because there's going to be time in between. There's your couch, Leah. What the fuck? I just says I renewed it. Yo, that was so fun. Dude, I missed this. This is so much fun. Anyways, now what? Fucking now what after that? Yeah, it's grainy. What the fuck? I want to be focusing on love and imagination and things that I like and not things that I dislike. Oh God, what's happening? What the hell?